This lesson is on how to best organize your base tens. I find this very important because when we're doing our work, we want everybody to understand the same thing. We don't want any confusion when someone's reading your work, and you don't want to even confuse yourself, which is what over the years I've found really happens. So here I've been given the number 41. So here I've been asked to break apart 41. So here I've been given the number 41, and I'm being asked to represent it. If I do it this way, and I have tens and ones scattered everywhere, it takes me a long time to count, and I can't make sure that I've ordered it or organized it in a good way. I also might get confused between my tens and my ones. However, if I count out 4 tens or a rod, and then 1 1, that clearly tells me 41. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 41. I can also clearly organize it into groups of 5, and those groups of 5 that could clearly show 10. So here I have 2 groups of 10 or 4 groups of 5. If I keep going, I'm going to end up at 41. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. See how I clearly organize these? Again, you could do it in groups of 5 or groups of 10. This time, I've been given the number 197. Again, if I start placing tens and ones all over, it gets very confusing. Even if I'm breaking up the ones or the tens, it's still very scattered and it's hard to count. So what I'm going to do instead is erase this, because look at how confusing that is. Believe it or not, both those do actually represent 197. Count them and see if I'm wrong. How else could we organize this? So, 197. I have 1 flat or 100. I have 9 tens or rods, and I have 7 ones. You can clearly see that my tens are grouped in groups of 5, and same as my ones. If I wanted to show a different way, here I'm representing my 100, and then there's my 90, and here's my 7. So here are 2 ways to represent 197. Can you think of a third organized way to represent 197? Each of these groups has 197 in them. They are organized in 3 different ways, but they are all efficient and easy ways to count out. This, again, is not efficient and not organized. It helps all of us understand best, and it keeps us nice and organized so that we can recount as many times as needed and not get confused.